Okay, let's start with ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, quadratic equation. And let's just see how to derive the quadratic formula just as a little test video. All right, first divide through by a. Move the constant to the other side. Okay, and then complete the square. To complete the square, you take half of this amount and square it, and that's going to be the new constant. So it's going to be b over 2a, the quantity squared. This now is factorable to x plus b over 2a squared. Okay, since I added this to this side, I have to add it to the other side. I'll just expand it as I go. I have b squared over 4a squared, and here's minus c over a from before. To make these common denominator, I have to multiply top and bottom here by 4a. Okay. b squared minus 4ac. Well, what do you know? And on the bottom I have 4a squared. And that's equal to this whole thing squared. So if I take the square root and put a plus or minus in front, that gives us x plus b over 2a. Then if I bring this to the other side, I have x is equal to minus b over 2a, plus or minus the square root of the numerator is the square root of b squared minus 4ac. And the square root of the denominator is 2a. Common denominator, minus b plus or minus the square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. What do you know? Piece o' cake.